Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to the Scan Tool Network. In this video we have a demonstration, sorry about this, of the TOPDON AirtiDiag800. We're in a Mini and we have the airbag light showing on the dashboard there. Now I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description below this video. Fakes and clones, as I'm sure you're aware, do exist, so make sure you use the links below and that will take you to the genuine and official product. So it's a Mini Countryman, but really the process is going to be the same for any other vehicle that this tool covers. So we have this cable plugged into the tool here, and the other end is plugged into the diagnostic port of the vehicle. So we're going to click on to diagnose, and we can see if we can diagnose this fault and get the airbag light reset. So we're going to find the Mini option. Here it is, Mini. Click OK to that. And we can do an automatic search, which should automatically find the vehicle. Sorry about the glare which is starting to come on the screen there. The sun's coming in. So just click no to that. So it's found the vehicle, and then it's going to allow us hopefully to start diagnosing some systems. Ultimately it's the airbag system that we want to try and diagnose. Right, so we go to system scan. Now it can sometimes take a few seconds for that to register. There we go. So it's going to show us all of the systems which it will actually allow us to diagnose. So we're going to find the airbag system, which is SRS, supplemental inflatable restraint system. So we'll click onto that. Let's click OK. Then we're going to go read fault code. So it's giving us an intermittent fault, two intermittent faults. Driver's side airbag, resistance too high, driver's seatbelt buckle contact open circuit. So it's found two faults which are relating roughly to the same thing. But basically what had happened is we'd found a loose connection underneath the driver's seat once we looked at these faults. So we clipped everything back together. The faults are still shown, but that's not enough to actually turn off the airbag light. To do that, what we need to do is go back and actually reset the fault code. So I'm going to show you that process now. So when I click, just keep an eye on the airbag light as I go through this. I'm sorry if the glare on the screen isn't very good. Clear fault code. Oh, there we go. It's gone off straight away. Clear fault code completed on the TOPDON tool. So that's it's a good little tool. This, it covers all of the main systems in the vehicles, and yeah, it's a good package. I like the fact that you can use the touchscreen, or you can navigate through using the buttons on the side here. But either way, whatever's best for yourself. So thanks for watching. As I say, I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description below this video, because there are fakes and clones on the market and they can cause damage to the vehicle. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.